Honorable former Prime Minister and Nepali Congress President Sherbahadur Dewbaju, Nepali Congress leader and former Deputy Minister Madam Sujata Koirala, Chinese Ambassador to Nepal, His Excellency Chen Song, distinguished guests, personalities, ladies and gentlemen. I have great pleasure and honor of warmly welcoming each and every one of you in this program, 70 years of Nepal-China relation through lens. The 70 years of diplomatic ties between Nepal and China are the days to cherish our deep-rooted and extremely relation. I am honored to address you on this photo exhibition program, which aims to recall the profound history of Nepal-China relation, political relation between Chinese leader and Nepali democratic fighters, including the great leader B.P. Koirala and Girija Prasad Koirala, and the Nepali Congress, and the history of our people-to-people ties. Such an event of photo exhibition is not only a window to recall the memory and histories of our relation, but also clear roadmap for our future journey. This shape our upcoming journey, collaboration, cooperation, and shared future. So I'd like to state that picture is worth 1,000 words, which comes from the Chinese proverb and is attributed to Chinese philosopher Confucius. I am neither a diplomat nor politician, but I would like to emphasize that China and Nepal, the two countries with distinct democratic history and system, are working for the promotion of our friendship and cooperation and to establish trouble-free relations since long past. And this is both in the national and regional interests of two peoples. Further making the very friendly ties between Nepal and China, the credit goes to Nepal's first people's elected Prime Minister, Jananayak B.P. Koirala. BP's historic 2-week-long visit to China in April 1960 marked a significant journey to establish people-to-people relation and settle several issues in the friendly manner. The political relations nurtured since then and are based on the solid foundation established by the B.P. Koirala. Not only in the bilateral issues, BP's speech in the UN General Assembly to welcome the participation of the People's Republic of China in the UN and several other diplomatic and political moves mark our highest level of trust and friendship. I have also read the BP has mentioned about China's economic rise and the possible benefit that could offer to Nepal. Similarly, the role of Girija Prasad Koirala in further deepening Nepal-China relation, advancing economic ties, sharing mutual learning and experience, sharing common view on international forum, and expanding South-South cooperation and socialist movement have been very historic and written in the Golden Plate. So this photo exhibition also carry the footprint of such a historic milestone set by the B.P. Koirala and Girija Prasad Koirala. On this occasion, I would like to urge Nepali young politician, scholar alike to join hand together and explore new avenue for the cooperation between Nepal and China. This is because China is land of opportunity for learning, innovation, research, advancement, and business in multiple areas of modern economic affairs. I would also like to take this opportunity to request former Prime Minister and Nepali Congress President Sherbahadur Dewbaju in the Girija Prasad Koirala Foundation and Chairperson Madam Sujata Koirala and take a lead for ensuring better learning and mutual exchange among the different sectors, including political, economic, and academic ones. Having said this, lastly, I hope this photo exhibition will provide plenty of insight, motivation, and fruitful collaboration between Nepal and China, and also particularly the young scholar and politician from Nepal. Thank you for your participant and precious. Thank you very much.